The importance of checking Nutanix products versions. Verifying the versions of key Nutanix products, including AOS, AHV, PC, and LCM, is a fundamental and critical task in the management of a Nutanix cluster. Understanding when and why to perform these checks is essential for maintaining a secure and stable environment. But first, let's check them all now. Click on LCM from the drop-down menu, then click on Inventory. Here you can see the AHV, AOS, and other versions. In the upper right-hand corner is LCM. In Prism Element, you can also click on the arrow next to your login name and select About Nutanix. Here you will find NCC and LCM. Now over to Prism Central. Once you are logged in, click on the arrow next to your login name, then About Nutanix to find PC, NCC, and LCM versions. Here are the primary scenarios that call for checking the software and firmware versions on your cluster. To ensure that your cluster is running actively maintained software and firmware. For troubleshooting and support. When an issue arises, checking component versions is a crucial first step. This information provides support engineers with the essential context. To maintain security and compliance, administrators should regularly check component versions to identify any software that may have known security vulnerabilities and to see that all certificates are up to date. System administrators often perform routine version checks to maintain an accurate inventory of all software and firmware deployed across their infrastructure. You can also identify end-of-support life dates by checking the product versions. Please leave a comment and let us know if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.